Ha kajingele ban pensuk ya kalet kawan ki Paidbah nong shnong uba Charles Pongrop MLA kan nong Thamai constituency ha kalai poterik Ynnai lar hajar apusan ula ple Paidbah ya ka motorable road kawadon halapalang dong parmau hadin beladep ban shna penbiang ya ka. Ya kan ika surok kawadon kumbashis pa alai pusan mitar AA layo na ka MLA scheme jong usnem hajar apusan lingba ka Special Rural Work Program SRWP ha kamang tingka kabashiphaw lang. Ha kanika sengi na lor u MLA layo don Bynta lang da uba J Nyota rang ba shnong lapalang uba P Sotun General Secretary kirang ba dong ki Paidbah nong shnong no lor kiway pan. Haba Jingkyrkhu ha kanika sengi uba Charles Pongrop ulaong ba Nongmihkhmat ka Bynta ka Kongsan tam kaday ban ya ka Jingshakri ki Paidbah nong shnong bat kwa AA Henry Tang ka Jingkyrkhu Kyrwoh ki nong shnong.
Token of opening this long-awaited motorable road built by Kongsan. Please come in. Please. She has been very helpful and has completed this road in record time. And I'm glad that it will be beneficial to all the people who will be using this, especially the churches and all the other villages which are here. And today I take this opportunity of opening the road.
One is on the way.
We are here to serve. I do not want anything else. Just your blessings is more than enough. Because as a representative of the people, I feel the most important fact or job in our lives is to serve the people to the best of our ability, irrespective of the amount. But it is what you put in with your heart that counts, not with the money in your pocket. So today I'm glad that everyone has benefited from this road. But like you said, the Tang Baptist Church is the biggest beneficiary. But actually it's for all. I'm glad that you feel that way. But I hope, I have seen Kongsan's work over the last 20 years. I've known her. She does her work well. So I'm grateful to her and her team for having done such a beautiful job. And of course, with the permission of the Shnong, who they have granted it without any problems, we could start the work even though the scheme has not been sanctioned fully. But I'm sure that will be done. So with these few words, once again, I'm glad that the people of this area, including, I think we have Rajan from the Dong, they are here also, they also benefit. I'm glad that will be a help to all of you living here. I had done it in the past also, many years ago, but it seemed the road couldn't sustain the weather and climatic conditions of this place. Now I hope it will be a strong road.
Katba na Kylliang uba J Nyota ulapan pao ya ka Jingskngu ya UMLA ubala shimkia ya ka nikakam bat kumta ukmi lenti ba unnang wanra shu ya ka roy kapar ha ka te ka shnong.
Na kanyang nga shnong ni pao ka Jingskngu ya MLA si ba chance ba kaya lapalang kumangitip pa kadang di ka develop the village tigidan kampun hangin ni gingarap eh tama kadang tayo Jingkyrkhu Paidbah. Tinakalang zona ko mbang basno karpa dia ka ya ba Charles kamtam ni state dompet building bakini ki internal roads ngi road la steel bak katay kumba fly ba kala palang saulot road kala kumlong so condition jangka tingi karpa dia ka government baka dia ban le apply gini kan kadang zona something like that.
Hoy, limba ka ayu long ba ka press pat kiwi li Bynta ki lat. Ana si ong barbor ba kan ni ka surok na do na saulat. Sudah siya lapalang naura iserwat. Maka di ka main road dalam tagi Paidbah ban position agreements ba sa New Shillong.
kita mungkin kiawa menda kat bagi danglar ini korban tersiang men penhek lagi por miswa ila lesin terus no jadi minta kita dah mungkin kiawa kani tu surat so blok lenter mundon je mentoi di Paidbah tega bahala da ki sarkar ki buka skim ko beng nang imar wan pehi da ki engineers ni berfai ba ran kalat hanu no ban hai ko surat ni pen hai ban bas makin dia main arterial road naka old Shillong saka new Shillong mas minta ka Jingkyrkhu new Shillong ka babon ba dia dah ka linti baniat ka kim ka red ka Siew tu minta
Habatin Paidbah ki kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F haka jingsom Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jingmentoy ba Kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jingim ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya